Life insurance is confusing to lots of people, and some people think it's unnecessary, especially when money is tight. But it can be a worthwhile expense, even if you're young and single. Senior personal finance correspondent Sharon Epperson joins me to explain. And Sharon, I got a big question on this. If I'm young and single, why would I care about life insurance? Who am I trying to take care of?
Well, that's what a lot of people think. They think, I don't own a home, I don't have any kids yet, why do I need life insurance?
Yeah.
But do you have student loan debt that your parent co-signed with you?
Oh,
if you have a private,
I didn't think of that.
If you have a private student loan, there's a good chance that that will not be discharged if anything happens to you. So that parent will be stuck with it.
Okay.
Did you take out a small business loan? And if someone co-signed with you on that, or even if they didn't, that loan still has to be repaid even if it takes your entire estate. Do you financially support one of your parents or another relative? Again, it doesn't have to be your child. If there's anyone that depends on you financially, you need to consider having life insurance.
Okay, so a lot of people think life insurance is too expensive, especially if I'm young. I don't want to pay for any of this stuff because I'm not even thinking that I'm ever going to die anyway. What should they be thinking about when it comes to the cost? How much should it cost? What's a fair assessment?
Well, one of the first things to think about is a term life insurance policy that covers you just for a specific term, 20, 30 years, and then it covers the time that you need to pay off that mortgage or for your kids to get out of the house or whatever it is. That's the cheapest type of life insurance that you can get. Looking at a website like policygenius.com, which lets you look at various types of plans and what the cost could be, a 30-year-old non-smoker, a healthy woman, could get a policy for $15 a month.
Okay, that's a great price. People need to understand, though, at the end of the term, if you're not dead, it goes away and all the money you've paid in is gone too, right?
Exactly right. But you never know what's going to happen. And if
this is
that
just an insurance policy to make sure worst case scenario.
Exactly.
Catastrophe.
Exactly. And if something happens and nothing happens and that policy goes away, you could possibly renew it. You could get another type of policy. It's going to cost you more, though, because, again, the younger you are when you get this policy, the cheaper it's going to be.
What's the best way to buy? What should I be looking out for in terms of any red flags?
Well, you want to do as much research as possible, and there are a lot of websites out there now that will let you look at various quotes and even sign up for a policy right there online. So you can look at websites like Policy Genius, look at websites like Fabric. There are many out there to just check out. But what you want to be careful about is the rating. You want to make sure that that insurer that you pick is going to be around for a long time. Mm-hmm. And so make sure you look at the ratings. Make sure you look at the firm's track record, that it's been an insurer that's been in business for a while, so you know they know what they're doing. But also look for complaints. You know, everything's not smooth sailing. There may be some complaints against this company. Check those out, too, to see if it's an insurer that you want to be working with. And if you want to talk to a real person, talk to an independent insurance agent to find out whether or not this is the right kind of plan for you based on where you are in your life.